Rolling.
Right, okay. Hello everyone. Hello YouTube. Hello. Right, hold on a minute. Leon, Darren, Ricardo, always asleep. Who's the other ones?
Oh my God. Matt, I don't know.
Right, hello everyone. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I'm having a drink out with Wilkie.
Yorkies, Bits and Bobs Home Tech.
I'm getting to that.
I'm sorry.
Please watch Yorkie's Home Tech, Bits and Bobs, blah blah blah, whatever. Because he's a really nice guy and he's one of the best guys I've ever worked with ever in my life. So have a good evening and please get them flashing lights out of my face.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Birthday, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Easter, whatever.